We're visual creatures. In fact, most of our sensory input comes from sight. One of the most impressive functions of the human eye, unlike many animals that can only see in black and white, is that we have the ability to perceive a countless variety of colors. This is an incredible gift because we can surround ourselves with a wide variety of rich, vibrant hues that fill our lives with beauty and wonder. We enjoy gazing upon gardens where flowers of all different colors live together in one big bowl of potpourri. If flowers were all the same color, nature would be awfully boring. We prefer paintings in which the brushstrokes are blended together in an array of harmonious hues. Even when the painting only consists of 2 or 3 colors, we find the bold contrast beautiful. Some paintings show us the layers of richness that can be found in different shades of the same color. We consider these colorful works of art to be aesthetic masterpieces. No one hangs up an empty canvas on their wall that only displays one color. How dull would that be? What makes sunsets so beautiful they affect people on a spiritual level? One reason is the divine palette of colors that paint the sky. As much as we appreciate the assortment of colors in art and nature, we should also love the variety of skin tones in human beings. We should see the beauty in other races, because the more we open our eyes, the more likely we are to find someone who may be compatible with us. We should value interracial relationships and mixed-race families, because people loving each other is always a beautiful sight. We should not segregate our love lives or our friends and families any more than we would grow only one shade of flower in our garden, separate each color into their own painting, or strip the sunset of its celestial hues. We all have cells in our skin called melanocytes that produce brown and black pigment called eumelanin. The more active those melanocytes are, the more pigment they produce, and the darker brown or black our skin looks. Black people display a wide range of skin tones. Any black person can be beautiful, regardless of how light or dark their skin happens to be. Sometimes they're beautiful in part because of their skin tone. Culturally speaking, lighter-skinned black people have received greater acceptance because they appear closer to white people, while darker-skinned folks have faced greater stigmatization because they are viewed as more black, as if that's a bad thing. Of course, this is ridiculous because there's nothing wrong with any shade of black. Milk chocolate and dark chocolate can both be equally delicious. Black skin has the advantage of aging 10 years slower than lighter tones because the extra melanin protects it from the damaging ultraviolet rays of the sun. We should appreciate the warmth of light black skin and the depth of dark black skin. Asian people come from a variety of countries from all over the Far East. While many Asian people have lighter porcelain skin, some Asian peoples are known for their warm brown tone. Asians are also renowned for having beautiful, flawless skin that makes them appear younger than they are. Indians have darker complexions, ranging from light amber to warm brown, all the way to a blackish blue hue, due to their genetic diversity. All colors can be rich and beautiful, though. Native Americans share a genetic line that originates from Asia. They are renowned for their warm brown skin tone, often with red undertones. White people boast various colorations because our skin is sensitive to the sun, so we can turn from milky white into soft pink, then into bright red, and then golden brown during one beach vacation. We also tend to freckle in a more obvious way than people of darker races, because areas where eumelanin is produced in greater concentrations create brown and black spots that stand out in stark contrast to our light skin. Many people from the Middle East and Southern Europe are also Caucasoid, even though they may present a darker brown complexion. Of course, the white race also includes blondes and redheads. Blondes produce less eumelanin. Redheads produce a little extra pheomelanin than other races, which gives their skin, freckles, and hair a hue somewhere in the red spectrum. Although it's important to note that people of other races also produce pheomelanin, and sometimes you can see this pink shade in their lips, nipples, or genital area. Yet all variations of Caucasian complexions can be gorgeous. Latin people are culturally diverse. Their coloration often reflects the country where they're from. Many Puerto Ricans are Caucasians, whose ancestors hail from Spain and other parts of Europe. Some Mexicans are Indians native to Central and South America, while some are European, and still others are a combination of the two. Most Dominicans are racially mixed, such as half black and half white, although maintaining a Latin culture. As such, they boast a wide range of skin tones that can all be equally beautiful. Of course, many people are of mixed skin tone, because all the ethnic and racial groups can intertwine. Black, white, and Asian people can all join with one another, as can every ethnic group within those three races, to create gorgeous new generations of skin tones. Since human beings are 99.9% genetically related regardless of our skin tone, all races and ethnicities can interbreed without biological problem, and therefore meld together like colors of a rainbow blending into one another. Every combination of race can be beautiful, because the human race can be beautiful. We should enjoy the wealth of color that makes up humanity, rather than cheapen our species through petty prejudice and discrimination. This is Ryan CRC for the Holistic Relationship Center. Please subscribe and follow me on all my social media for the latest insights into our romantic and social relationships. Until next time, remember, be happy, be healthy, and be love.